In this video, I'm gonna share my top 5 no-code AI tools in 2024 I literally cannot work without. This isn't gonna be in any particular order because I use all of them for many different purposes in my business. And I'm also gonna exclude ChatGPT because most of you are probably already familiar with it. So if you're in business and you wanna be more productive and you wanna get much more done with a fraction of the time and resources, using AI can actually be a cheat code if you use it correctly. So make sure to try out some of these AI tools yourself. You literally have nothing to lose here because I made sure each of these tools have free trials. So if you don't like it, you don't have to pay. Trust me when I say this, I'm not the most tech savvy person, so you don't need to be an expert using any of these softwares. And if you're new to AI, becoming familiar with AI tools is actually such a great way to get started. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Now at number 1, we have Ideaify.ai. Now this is actually an AI tool that I built for myself to create better content faster. Now what I've realized is that AI is really good at generating content, and I use this to create content topics, video scripts, blog articles, and just so much more. And yes, you technically can use ChatGPT to create the content, but what's really cool about Ideaify is that it comes with pre-made prompts. So all you have to do is select a tool, type in the information about your idea or your business for that matter, or the content that you're trying to create, and simply hit generate to create an output. Now on top of that, you do have the option to switch to the latest AI models using the dropdown like ChatGPT 3.5, GPT-4, GPT-4o, and Google Gemini. You also don't have to type a really long prompt in order to get a decent response. You literally save so much time creating content using each of these tools together. Now, one of my favorite workflows right now is using the content topic ideas tool to generate a list of 10 different content topic ideas. Then I like to use the long form video tool to generate a script outline for each of those 10 topics to create 10 YouTube videos. This saves me so much time, it's ridiculous. The second AI tool I use is called Descript. Now, Descript is an AI video editing software that helps me edit all of my videos in just a couple of clicks. And guys, I literally replaced my video editor with this software because I can now record videos directly on my laptop, edit the video in just a few clicks, and post them immediately, which is much faster than my editor could. And what's really cool about Descript is that it scans the entire video and translates the audio into text, where you could just edit the text, which edits the video the exact same way you'd edit a Word document. And since it transcribed the entire video, you can take out all of the ums, the uhs, the weird pauses when you're recording a video, the retakes, in just a single click. And I used to use Final Cut Pro to edit all my videos, which would require me to pay attention to the whole thing, pause the video and then have to go back manually to edit the clips. And I don't have to do that anymore or pay someone since it takes so much time, which is crazy. And instead, I use that time I saved to create more content in volume or create higher quality production in my videos. The third AI tool I use is called Canva. Now, this is an AI-powered graphic design tool that makes creating graphics stupid easy in a matter of clicks. So instead of hiring a graphic designer to create illustrations, you can do all of them yourself. And I personally use Canva to create all of my thumbnails, slide deck presentations, logos, and even some video animations here and there. And what's really cool about Canva is that it's able to remove the backgrounds in most objects, including myself, which makes it super helpful when I'm creating my YouTube thumbnails. Set apart, they have thousands of templates for you to choose from, many different graphics you can use, and they've been pushing out some really cool AI features lately. It's been insane. You can create images using text just like how you would with Midjourney, and what's even cooler is that you can actually edit them even further, which is something that you can't really do with most text-to-image softwares. The fourth AI tool I use is called Notion. Now at this point, this is pretty much like my life's operating system. This is where I like to organize all of my ideas, manage projects with databases, and really just keep everything in my life organized, which makes me more productive. Now, what I find myself using a lot is actually Notion's AI feature, which works just like ChatGPT, but what makes it better is that it can use the context on the page, or an entire database for that matter, as its main knowledge base. So let's just say you brain dumped a list of things you need to do today in a page. You can use Notion's AI to rank what you should do to get more done to prioritize your time. Now, this is a complete game changer because it has so many more use cases that we can't even scratch the surface of in this video. And in fact, I have a workflow that helps me come up with YouTube videos I store in a database. I actually use Notion's AI to help me come up with video ideas, thumbnail ideas, titles, even scripts. And this workflow has made ideation so much more streamlined, and it's just been helping me push out way more videos in just a couple of clicks. Now, the fifth AI tool that I use is called make.com. Now, this is a visual automation platform that allows you to automate pretty much anything you could think of. Now, what makes this honestly one of the best AI tools out there is the fact that it connects with OpenAI's API, along with thousands of other app integrations, so you can build pretty much an infinite amount of AI automation scenarios. I'll give you an example. One of my favorite AI automations I've built literally replaced what I used to do every single week to report my sales team's performance. So every day, my sales team submits an EOD report or an end of day report to track their performance. Basically, they count the number of leads, the sales they made, and also a daily recap, which is a brief summary of their day. And every week, I'm responsible for analyzing my sales team's performance. And before creating this automation, I had to manually calculate the total number of leads and sales and then write a summary of the week's performance based on 7 days worth of my sales team's reports. And I've realized that technically I can automate this entire scenario and use this AI automation that not only calculates all of the numbers for me, but it uses ChatGPT to read all of the daily reports. And it also creates a weekly sales recap that automatically gets sent to my team. So really just scratching the surface here with AI automations, but make.com is so powerful. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 AI tools I literally cannot work without. If you want to try any of these tools out for yourself, I put the links all down in the description so you can try them out for free. And if you guys want access to an updated list of even more AI tools with in-depth tutorial training videos, I highly recommend joining my school community where my team and I have over 30 AI tools you can check out for yourself. And I'll put the link to the description so you could join as well. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, then please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.